Hey everyone, want to save time by using ready-made templates in Cloud AI? In this video, I'll show you how to find, customize, and use Cloud AI templates step by step. Yeah, templates can help you quickly create content, projects, and AI workflows without starting from scratch. First, open your web browser and visit the Cloud AI website. Sign in to your account and open the Templates section or AI workspace. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before accessing your saved tools and templates. Once you're inside Cloud AI, look for a section called Templates, Explore Gallery, or AI Tools. This area contains different pre-built templates that you can use for various tasks. Next, browse through the available templates and choose one that matches your goal. You may find templates for writing, document summaries, content creation, data analysis, or other AI tasks. Selecting the right template can save you a lot of time. After choosing a template, open it and review the available options or instructions. Update the fields, prompts, or settings with your own information to customize the template for your needs. Once everything is ready, click the Generate, Run, or Create button to use the template. Cloud AI will process your inputs and create the result based on the template settings. After the output is generated, review the content and make any adjustments if needed. You can usually edit your inputs or modify the prompt to get better results. You can also save your customized templates for future use if the option is available. So, creating your own collection of useful templates can make your future projects much faster, and that's how you use Cloud AI templates. With the right templates, you can simplify your workflow and complete tasks more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.